Welcome to our Travel Payouts 101 series, where we help you take off in the field of travel affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll give an overview of the affiliate tools available at Travelpayouts. Hello, and welcome back. This is another actionable video tutorial from Travelpayouts to fast-track your success in travel affiliate marketing. So, you've already joined several affiliate programs with Travelpayouts and are all set to promote them. Here's the next question. What Travelpayouts tools can you use to drive affiliate sales? You're about to find out. To pave your path to conversions, Travelpayouts offers a wide range of tools. Links and the link generator are great tools if you're just starting out. If you're a seasoned affiliate, you can use more advanced tools like widgets, banners, WordPress plugin, white labels, API, landings, the Travelpayouts Chrome extension, etc. With Travelpayouts, you can even build your own mobile app with ease. Now, let's explore how you can find out which tools each program offers. Say you want to add Avia sales offers to your website. To see all the tools the program provides, go to the Programs page. Next, click Tools. This will instantly bring up a list of all the available tools. You can also use the Tools filter in the Programs tab to easily sort out all the programs based on the tools they offer. This is useful if you know that a certain tool converts well with your project and want to use the same method with other programs. Note that to get access to the tools and use them in your campaigns, you first need to join a program. Need more guidance? Watch the tutorial on how to choose and apply to affiliate programs with Travelpayouts. Here's a pro tip. To maximize your revenue, try different affiliate tools. Experiment with the tools by testing their effectiveness with your audience. Let's wrap things up. Travelpayouts offers many affiliate promotional tools to help you maximize your earnings. There are tools for beginners and seasoned affiliates. To use a program's tools, you need to join that program. Experiment with the tools by testing their effectiveness with your audience. In the next tutorial, we'll show you how to grab affiliate links on Travelpayouts. We'll also share insider hacks on how to use them for your maximum benefit. So, keep watching. And now, take the plunge and use Travelpayouts promo tools to add affiliate offers to your website.